Hello everyone, I'm getting ready to make the Bridgerton Petite Strawberry Scone Kit from Betty Crocker. I got this at Walmart. It was around $6, kind of expensive to just make 6 scones. So you need 1/3 cup milk and then 1/3 cup butter. Did I say that right? 1/3 cup milk or water. I'm gonna do milk, and then a 1/3 cup butter melted. It says it includes everything else, so let's open it up. So it includes a cookie cutter, a very small cookie cutter, strawberry filling, and then the dry mix. So reading the instructions, you're gonna roll out the dough and then use the cookie cutter. And I've made scones one other time, and they were quite a bit bigger than this, and it only makes 6. So I was expecting a bigger cookie cutter, so we'll see. I threw everything in my KitchenAid. Got the dough mixed together pretty good. There's, I guess, dried strawberry cubes, pellets, like little pellets. Very peculiar. All right, it says 6, but I kind of feel like this is gonna make more. Let me roll this out. Doesn't say what thickness to roll it out at. 3/4 inch thick, which is pretty thick. Let's see. That is definitely a thick scone. Makes more sense on how we're gonna get 6 out of them. One, 2, 3. I'm gonna get more than 6. I don't know why it said 6, but we'll see how many we get. If you hear that crinkling, one of the cats is playing with a crinkle toy. I don't know how many scones this kit is supposed to make. So it says 6 servings per container, but each serving size is, it says 1/6 of the package mix. I don't know why I can't just say how many scones it makes. I'm gonna need my second baking sheet. If you're thinking, wow, that's a really small rolling pin. This is my fondant rolling pin. It works pretty well when doing little projects. All right, I was able to make 20 little scones with just this little bit of dough left. I wanted to only have to do 1 baking round, but you know me, I prefer 6 to a sheet. I was willing to do 8, but since it's 20, I just will do a second round. So now we're gonna put these in, and they are, what is it? 375 for 16 to 18 minutes. I am tasting the bread dough. It's not good. I mean, it tastes like bread. A little sweet because of the dried strawberries, but it's not like cookie dough. It's like bread dough. Not something you'd want to snack on raw. They did not like spread at all, so I could have definitely cooked all 20 on the 2 sheets, and you can see like the dried strawberries oozed and burnt a little. All right, these are not what I'm expecting. They're definitely bite-sized, which scones aren't necessarily supposed to be bite-sized. Every tea video that I've watched, scones are not bite-sized. the video doesn't, it does say Petite. It does say Petite strawberry scone kit, but I guess I should have thought Petite meant mini. I mean, I would have got the kit either way. It don't matter to me. They're cute. It's been a long day. It's the only excuse I have, because I've kept going on about how many scones it would make when the box specifically says Petite. That's my problem. I'm just doing a quick taste test on one of the smaller ones. It's actually pretty good. I haven't put the jelly on it yet. Not bad. The flavor is really good. And the mini ones do look cute on my tier. I'll show it to you in a minute. On my cake tier. I would not buy this kit again, because just personally, I think it's easier or cheaper to make them on my own. But I would recommend the kit if you've never made scones before, because it was pretty easy making them. Here is the Bridgerton 2-tier cake tier tray, tea party. I don't know what you call this. They just call it a tiered tray. Got it at Walmart for $15. It does hold the scones pretty nice. You know, this is like for like a tea party or whatever. That's why I bought it. I didn't really think of putting the scones on it, but it worked out perfectly. This is the strawberry jam that was included with it. I don't really think it's enough if I were to, you know, put some on every single scone. I don't plan on it. And you're supposed to be able to cut them open. Yeah, I'm not gonna do that. I'm just gonna dip it in the jelly for a quick taste test. That's strawberry jam. That's good strawberry jam. Wish they would have included a little more, but I'm pretty sure I could eat all 20 scones right now. I don't know. I said earlier I wouldn't buy the box again, but I'm rethinking it because it really wasn't that hard to do. The more I eat, the more I'm loving them. If you want to get into the tea party trend, I would recommend buying a couple of these boxes, but the only thing I don't like is the expiration is November of 2025. Like, it had less than a year goodbye date. I don't like that. But yeah, this was found at Walmart. Not for sure if regular grocery stores carry it. I kind of feel like it's a Walmart exclusive. I could be wrong though.